In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make columns and sections in Notion, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Columns are one of the most powerful layout features in Notion, and once you know how to use them, you can organize your pages, dashboards, and notes in a much cleaner and more visual way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create multiple columns, add headings and content inside each column, and then add new sections and even more columns below. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion on your desktop or in your browser and create a brand new page. You can do this from your sidebar by clicking the plus icon or selecting a new blank page. Once the page opens, give it a title that matches what you're working on. This can be anything you want, like a project name, a dashboard title, or a simple test page for learning layouts. After adding the title, click on the empty space below it so your cursor is active on the page. This is where we'll start creating columns. Now, type a / on your keyboard, and then type the word column. Notion will automatically show you different column layout options. You'll see choices like 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, and more. For this example, I'm going to select 3 columns, but you can choose however many you need for your layout. Once you click on the 3-column option, Notion will instantly split the page into 3 vertical columns. Inside the first column, click at the top and add a heading or title. You can type plain text or use a heading block if you want it to stand out more. This will be the title for your first column. After that, move your cursor to the second column by clicking inside it, and add a title for the second column as well. Then do the same thing for the third column, clicking into it and adding a heading or title so you know what each column is for. Now that your columns are set up with headings, you can start adding content. Click back into the first column and add whatever content you want. This could be text, bullet points, checklists, images, or even embedded content. Once you're done with column 1, move to the second column and add its content. You can type notes, tasks, or anything relevant to that section. Then go to the third column and add content there as well. You can freely move blocks between columns by dragging them if you need to rearrange things later. After finishing your columns, you might want to add a new section below them. To do that, simply click below the columns until you see a new empty line spanning the full width of the page. Here, you can add a heading to create a new section underneath your columns. Under this section, you can add regular content like text or lists. And if you want even more columns below, you can repeat the same process. Click below the section, type /column, choose the number of columns you want, and Notion will create a brand new set of columns underneath. This makes it incredibly easy to design structured pages with multiple sections and layouts. And that's it. You now know how to create columns and sections in Notion, add headings, insert content, and build clean, organized layouts for your pages. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.